Okay, so today we're going to play a little game. It's called What's in the Copart BMW. Okay, so as you guys know from yesterday's video, I got this BMW E60 from Copart, and it was a repossession, come to find out. Didn't know that beforehand. And let's just say people left some possessions in it. So it's still on the car hauler, so we're going to try to work around that. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, starting with the driver's side. It's like in the driver's door pocket we got a, what the hell? Okay, ink pen or something. Oh, we got a pill. R-Zone. It's like boner pills, or got a key to a lock. You notice I got the rubber gloves on. Another pen, some air fresheners. Be careful, stick my hands down in there. Got some chapstick that's melted in the door with a big bolt. Gotta have that. I reached under the driver's seat carefully. There was nothing under it. Got some dirt in the floor, got an ink pen. And somebody's had this ripped open for some freaking reason. I mean, it's clearly to put meth or something in there. Clearly, that's what it's for. Have our cherry bomb air freshener, which smells pretty strange. So let's hop up in here and let's get that console opened up and see what's in it. We did find the shifter bezel was in the trunk because somebody's messing with the lock, the shifter lock, and broke it where you stick the key in. We got some green, definitely probably marijuana in the thing there. We have our console here. I don't remember how this one opens up, or if it opens up. I don't think it does. Button right here. We have multiple layers of ink pens, a couple batteries. Oh, that opens up separate. I guess it don't. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells awesome in there. Got some women's perfume. We have 1970s light bulb adapter. We have a lug nut, like a dummy lug nut. Not sure. Has some money in there. We have, yeah, got some Gorilla Glue. Got a bunch of what I like to call gravy in the bottom of there. A bunch of moldy coins. Got a receipt. Well, that's pretty freaking nasty in there. That's like level 10 nasty. Yeah. Cup holders. Is that what they use the Gorilla Glue on, maybe? There's a dime stuck in there. Yeah. Pretty freaking, oh, that's nice. Yeah. I'll put that in the back floorboard. I don't want that up here. Let me see, we have a bunch of business cards. Weird. Pack full of business cards, insurance papers. Whoop. Temporary registration. Platinum image. Whatever that is. Oh. We got a speeding ticket. Or some kind of violation. Let me set you guys down and get that out. Got a Pennsylvania parking violation for 26 bucks. I'm gonna go out on a limb, since the envelope was not even opened, and say they didn't pay that. I'm just guessing. Anyhow, got more stuff up here. Got an AutoZone card. That's your first mistake. Holy, business cards fell out. Blank piece of paper. Claim check, license to park, privilege. This guy must be a repeat offender on the old parking tickets. The back door pouch, nothing. Nothing in the ashtray. Nothing in there. I wonder, this is where all the goodies are going to be. Let's go around the other side here. We found everything from gold coins, everything under the back seat. Holy. Yeesh. There's a quarter. John, if you're watching this, your car is paying for itself. Let's go back to the side here. Has some more money. I mean, that's obviously cocaine in there. And then probably just dirt. Oh, we got spray candy. Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Yikes. That don't need to be in there. Got some more money, some more quarters, various items. That's not a quarter. What is that? What is that? South Haven, Pennsylvania transportation. That's nice. That's all that's in there. Let's jump to the other side. This door pocket, there's something in there. Be careful reaching in here. There's clearly meth there. Or it could be rubber washers or something. Nothing in the ashtray, which is a good sign. Nothing in that ashtray. Oh, Reese's Pieces cup. Sweet. I did look under this seat too. All was under there was a fork and a snotty paper towel to break the cup holders. No. I must not have known they were there. Clearly. Oh, jackpot. Some deodorant, some air fresheners, the meth lighter. I mean, clearly it's a meth lighter. There's a 6-pack too. So, yeah. Some pretty nasty people. I think we're ready to jump back to the trunk. Before we go back there, let's check this seat back pocket. What is that? Oh, somebody's phone. It's the crack dealing phone. Nothing else in there. Okay. Okay. We have our engine stuff back here. We had set that on that white plastic so it didn't get on the carpet. We have a trash bag full of stuff. Yeesh. Good Lord. Be careful about just grabbing in here. All kinds of paperwork. There's got to at least be a mixtape in here somewhere. Like, has to be, right? License plate fasteners. And all that crap. What a dumbass. Oh, man. No. Got some some Vaseline body and face lotion. It's like liquid in there. Throw that in the bucket for the parts for the scrap metal. Got some Listerine. Got some staple. Got some staples. Staple package. Tire wet. That's like leaking. That goes over there too. We got the dick pills. No, it's weight control. I'm sorry. Told you wrong. Oh, I got a prison shank. Shiv. It's a Phillips screwdriver though. Have little lineman's pliers. Look at the corrosion. It's like I like to keep those, but I'll probably get AIDS from keeping those. We have a aux input jack. Oh god. The mixtape, but somebody done stole it. Got some Hall's cough drops. If any of you guys want this stuff, let me know, because you know it's all for sale, right? We have lug nuts, OEM locking lug nuts, regular lug nuts. That's tire shine sponge. We have the piece out of the back of the car. Luckily, that is all contained in there. Oh, where's the mixtape? There's the mixtape. Oh man, it's got hair all over it too. Okay, let me try to touch the camera with the finger that's not dirty. We're gonna look up underneath there. Maybe we can just look underneath there right now. Oh, what's that? What's that? Jesus Christ. I'll be right back. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Got it all out of here. We got some staples. My slap stapler actually uses that size, but these are all rusty. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work out. That thing off the seat covers the bolt. Good Lord. Just want to barf touching this. West Catholic Preparatory High School. Somebody needs to have their soul saved. What is that for? Does that go over there for? I think it's have a CD changer. I don't know what that's for. Oh, got some lip medics. If you guys want some lip medics, let me know. I kind of got the whole thing's out. We're gonna find either a murder weapon or something back here. What is that? Just a quarter. Yeah, just all crispy. Got some lifesavers. How much to eat that right now? Oh, Ultra. You put on your antifungal for your put on your snassage, right? Nasty. Various bolts and clips and stuff like that. Get this up out of here. Oh, yeah. Instead of a meth spoon, it's a meth fork, right? Got some scissors, some hair cutting scissors. Got the little thing on them. It's like, I want to say that to put in the toolbox, but we'll probably get AIDS from that, more than likely. Got some rock salt back here. The crack cocaine. I joke about that, but that's probably what that is. And I think, eesh, man, what a freaking disgusting car. Alright, I don't see anything else. I don't see any guns. Anything like that, so. And the spare tire. I don't know if this car had a spare tire or not. Looks like none of that's been lifted up. This was out whenever we got the car too, but there was nothing behind it. Hard telling what all they stole out of here. Lots of crimp on. They got a couple things crimped onto these ground wires back here, I guess for his amp. Sweet, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing here in the tail light housing? Some kind of hood rat lights in there or something? I don't know. I don't know. What a freaking mess. Well, that's what happens when the nice car goes through the hood, apparently, because there's some nasty stuff in this thing. freaking people are disgusting. I can only imagine what they took out before it got repoed. That's just what left in it. So I'm sure I'll go on to find more and more stuff as it gets cleaned out. No matter what, we're going to clean it all out and get all that finished on it. So that's it, guys. That's all for the what's in the Copart BMW. Thanks for watching.